culture at MacKinnon Transport is a safety-first attitude. We have safety programs that all our drivers participate in, whether they're drivers or employee drivers or owner-operators. There's no questions about a safety issue at MacKinnon Transport. We've supported it for so long, it's just naturally part of what we do. Anyone in the company has the authorization to speak up if they don't believe equipment is safe or if a driver is safe.
That's what makes it so easy at MacKinnon Transport, is that the culture is driven from ownership all the way down, that safety is number one.
I mean, everyone's on board here, whether it be the shop, operations, safety department, recruiting, we're all on the same page.
In 2009 we had 0 preventable accidents, which is really just phenomenal for a company of 250 trucks, doing every state and every province of North America.
We do regular training, upgraded training for our drivers and our staff, our internal staff as well.
We have an internal program that we designed here at MacKinnon Transport called the Roadmaster Program, where drivers apply for different levels of that based on their years of service, their accident-free driving, and there's also a component to that, a test they take that where we assure that they've got specific knowledge of the industry.
We have a very low driver turnover rate, and I believe that that's part of our success in safety. When you start having guys stick around for years after years, you can start building a foundation and start adding stuff onto their training records for safety.
People want to work in a safe environment. It's the generation we work in today. Safety is a key component of everybody's lifestyle. So we promote safety in all our recruiting publications, and it's a key part of what we do at MacKinnon Transport and a key part of our image. MacKinnon Transport is identified across Canada and throughout the United States as one of the safer places to work. When we spec a vehicle for a driver or any tool they're using, but especially the truck, we take their safety into consideration. The safety features that are in the Volvo are really second to none, and our drivers appreciate the investment that we've made to include those safety features in our vehicles.
We have a lot of drivers that request to drive Volvos just because of the safety factor that comes with them.
I believe we were the first company in Ontario to go 100% electronic logs.
We now know that our drivers are running legal every day.
Through the electronic logs, we have been successful at attracting drivers to our company. More conscientious drivers would like to work at a company that respects the hours of service regulations and enforces the proper off-duty time.
They know how many hours they have available. It's very simple to use for them. It's an easy touch of a button. It puts a lot of the responsibility back onto our operations department. So they know how many hours the driver now has available to run.
It really comes down to the driver's commitment to safety, which is that's who wins the awards for us. We just put the tools in play for them to be successful at their job, and knowing that we have their backs when it comes down to safety.
It's a very family-oriented company, and we treat people like they're our family, and we want them to be as safe as we want our family to be safe.